In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. So this is a new feature that WhatsApp has introduced, and for you to access this feature, you must make sure you have updated your WhatsApp to the latest version. So you can go to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone, search for WhatsApp, and then make sure if there's an update, tap on the update button to update your WhatsApp. Now once the WhatsApp has been updated, launch WhatsApp and find the conversation or the group you'd like to send the video message to, and tap this microphone icon, the green microphone icon. Tap on it and you'll see it changing to the video icon. From here, tap on the video, tap and hold the video icon, and you'll see a 3-second timer. And once the timer is done, the recording will begin. You can see here it's recording, and also the line going through the circle. Now you can also swipe to cancel, or also you can swipe up to lock that particular video. So something to note is that these videos are 60-second long, and if you'd like to switch the camera, you can just tap on this icon and you'll switch the camera, the front and the back camera. Once you're done with the video, you can press on stop and you can preview the video from here. However, if you don't like this particular video, you can tap on the delete icon and delete that particular video. Now once you have satisfied with the video, tap on the send icon and that particular video will be sent to the group or the conversation that you chose. And if you'd like to rewatch that particular video, you can tap on it and you can rewatch the video. And that's it. That's how to send video messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and good luck.